Hi, I'm James Clark from the Department of Physiology at King's College London, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can record all or part of your screen on a Mac computer using software that comes with your Apple Mac computer. Here's a presentation I have on the screen. I've already set it up so the slideshow runs in window mode, and I wish to record this part of the screen and my voice through my microphone and save it as a screen recording. I could use Camtasia, Kaltura or any of these other capturing software, or I could just use Quicktime, which comes with my Mac. So I go to my Launchpad and search for Quicktime and run Quicktime Player. Once loaded, I can go to the Quicktime File menu and choose New Screen Recording. By default, Quicktime will want to record your entire screen. So if you go to the hovering box that appears when you start this recording process and choose Record Selected Portion, you can record a selected part of your screen. Or you can leave it to record the entire screen. It depends what you want to do. So now I'm going to choose Record Selected Portion. And I'm going to draw a line or a box around my selected portion, which is the PowerPoint presentation, in order to make the recording. I may need to check a few options to make sure the recording is going to go the way I want it. So I click on the Options dialog box and I'm going to choose to save this to my desktop. I'm also going to make sure that my Rode video microphone is selected, which it is, and I'm going to remember these for the next time I do this. You might also want to show the mouse clicks, just in case you're doing a screencast and want to show what the mouse is doing. Once you're happy with these settings, simply click the record button and Quicktime will start recording your screen. You can then start your presentation in PowerPoint and narrate as you would normally. You can use your mouse to highlight various parts of your screen because your mouse will be recorded with this video. You can navigate through your presentation either using mouse clicks or using your cursor keys. And once you've finished your presentation, you can go to the top menu bar and click on the Stop button. This video has now been saved to your desktop. So here's the video I've just recorded. Let's play it back. Presentation in PowerPoint and narrate as you would normally. You can use your mouse to highlight various parts of your screen because your mouse, and there we go, there's our presentation. You might want to edit parts of this video, which you can do either in video editing software or in fact using QuickTime itself, but I'll cover that in another tutorial. Also, you may want to compress this MOV file because the file size might be quite large to an MP4, and you can do that using Handbrake. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel.